Hi, my name is Johan, and in this video we'll have a look at how we can install the Mapbox module in a Noodle project, where you can find or create Mapbox Access Tokens, and also create a very minimal example Mapbox app. Let's get started. The easiest way to get started with the Mapbox module is to choose the Mapbox template when you create a new project. This template automatically includes the Mapbox module, but you'll still need to supply a Mapbox Access Token, and we will have a look at that shortly. If you already have an existing Noodle project, or maybe you started from a different template, but you still want to use the Mapbox module, then we can easily install it to our project from the Library tab over here. I just click the Library tab, and then find the Mapbox module and click the Add button, and now the module is installed to this project. Now that the Mapbox module is imported, I can find the nodes, or in this case the node, that is added in the node picker. And I find it here under External Libraries. If I have other modules in my project, those nodes will also be under External Libraries. Let's add the Mapbox Map node and place it here in the node tree. As you can see, we immediately get a warning that says no access token. Please specify one in the project settings and reload. Alright, so let's look at the project settings first. I'm going to click the gear icon here, and here we can see that there is a new property where I can paste in a Mapbox access token. Cool. But how do I get a Mapbox access token? Well, you need a Mapbox account, and if you go to the Mapbox website, you can click here to sign up. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, it will look something like this. And here in the Access Tokens section, you can see that you already have a default public token. You can read more about the Mapbox Access Tokens on the Mapbox documentation if you need something special for your app. For this simple app that I'm making, we can use the default public token. So let's copy that and head on back to Noodle. Okay, so here I am back in my Noodle project, and I'm still in the Settings tab. Let's paste in the access token here, and then reload the project by hitting Command R on the Mac or Control R on Windows. And look at that, now we see a map in the Mapbox node. I can pan and zoom and tilt the map, just like I would expect. But here in the Noodle editor, the current location button won't work. Your app needs to be deployed in order for the current location to work. And with Noodle, it's easy to do a sandbox deployment, but that's out of the scope for this video. And that's how you import and set up the Mapbox module so that you can use Mapbox maps in your Noodle projects. Check out our other videos on the Mapbox module to learn how to do some simple interactions with the map and how to add and delete markers to the map. Thanks and happy noodling!